Hello guys, this is Simon here. As every day, I will go through few of my systems, indicators, strategies, expert advisors, so you can see how they really work in life. So this is the latest one, Forex Shadow Trader on small time frames. Why I'm telling you small time frames? Because we have settings for small time frames and for other time frames. So this is on 50 minutes is for small time frames, and also we have on 15 minutes on gold. So both are, you see, in the good money, $5,000. So when you buy it, if you like the Shadow Trader, based on engulfing plus other patterns, you will get two templates with settings for small time frame, like 1 minute, 5 minute, 15 minute, 30 minute, and for 1 hour, 4 hour daily or higher. You just have to load it and everything will be executed by trader. If you follow my channel, you would know that I showed you my Shadow Trader, I don't know, maybe 1 year ago or so, and later I made EA based on my shadow strategy. In that video about shadow strategy, manual strategy, I explained the rules and everything if you trade manually. But this is, guys, now EA. Manual strategy is not available anymore here. So this is one of the systems why I am showing all of this to you, because I will explain later in 1-2 minutes. This is V24 Plus Trader, both indicator and expert advisor in some trade here. You can buy only indicator, this is these arrows, everything you see, but also we have automated version of this, so you can buy either EA or only indicator or both. If you like to buy both, ask me, you will get a special promo offer. What we have next, Robo Scalper. This is, I explained many times and showed a live trade. This is a reversal scalping system. No martingale, no anything, just price action. This is one live trade. What we have next, this is Trendy Trader, latest version V24, this year version. This is for years, guys, maybe 6-7 years, top and the best trend expert advisor in market. Also, you can trade manually without sorry, without this expert advisor, so you trade only with indicators. So also here you can buy only the indicators. You see here, when you get not repainted arrow, you have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, this line, 5 confirmation, and you manually enter the trade. But if you don't want to wait, I don't know, for hours, sometimes if you use higher time frame and this trend, of course it is used for minimum 1 hour or higher, because we cannot trade trends on 1 minute time frame. So you have trader and indicator. You can get both for a very special price. You can ask, I will give you the price depending on many other things. I will explain just in a minute. Let's see what else we have. This is this is my strategy, inside strategy. We don't have live trades. This is famous, fantastic Omega Turbo Trader. And guys, this is version V23. Until the end of year, guys, I will make a new version, V24 or V25 even, because it will be then 4 years. So if you have old version, or if you buy now in a promo offer, you will get new Omega Turbo Trader V24 or V25 for free. You see, it is very simple system. If you follow my channel, you would know this is the simplest possible system. It consists of 2 arrows. You just follow 2 arrows combination. First of all, you wait for a signal. This is a trigger, black one, and if you have a big one before, earlier, then you can trade. So you have white arrow and big white arrow, you trade sell. For example, here, if you have a white arrow, you will not trade because you must have the same color. These 2 arrows match each other in colors. So first of all, when you get big black arrow, this means you are in buy zone only, and you only trade with small black arrows. This is not repainted. Here with big white, you trade only white small arrows. Guys, this is fantastic system. It is not so popular last months. I haven't shown it, but it is so easy if you only trade manually. Forget about the trader. It is so simple. For example, you open the charts, you get arrow, big one and then small one. Don't be afraid, trade and keep it easily. You don't have to think about your take profit. Keep it easily until the next opposite arrow, 236 pips. So keep it until the next opposite white arrow in this case. And here you will exit. But then you have another one. White small, and before you have big white, trade, and you will exit here. Everybody is asking me about repainting. These small ones are not repainted, never. These big ones can repaint only on a current candle. So they are forming on this candle, and when the new candle here is open, and if this stays, it will be here forever. So after 5-6 candles you will get this, it will stay here. Don't worry. It is only forming on the current situation because it is calculating in this position the change of trend, possible change of trend. You see, usually it good calculate. Here we have a change, and we'll trade until this. So you will keep trade until the next opposite, So now we are waiting for a black one to trade buy. So very easy, super easy, can be used on all time frames for Forex, for binary. For binary, if you are a binary trader, I would suggest maybe 5-minute or 15-minute time frame. On 5-minute, you will trade 3 candles expiry, or 15-minute. On a 15-minute time frame, you will trade 4 candles or 60 minutes, and so on. So this was Omega Turbo Trader. This is not on my web page, but it is also included in this offer. What we have here, I even forget. Aha, this is the trade here. This is a binary Reaper V23, the latest my version of binary Reaper. It is famous indicator, maybe over 10 years in the market, but last 5 years it disappeared, and I refreshed and made my own version. So we are here in trade. This is when you see arrow, very simple, you enter the trade. I put take profit here, stop loss here. We have trailing stop. If the price went go down, we are always in the money, $1,000. So we cannot lose in this trade. If the price goes up, we'll make 2,400. Also here we have one of the latest updates. You maybe don't know about it, but it is on my web page, I think. This is a new Rubicon. I have made a Rubicon indicator 2 years or 3 years ago, and this is a refresh version. Very different, you see, but also so easy. For sell, you are waiting for arrow, and then check two things, two confirmations. This line must be red, and this must be 50% or higher in the direction of the trend. So here, if we trade, we need this, minus 50% or better, and only then we'll take a trade. You will keep a trade until this is green, or until this is green, this line, or until this is green. Sorry guys, I have a phone call. I will switch off my phone. So, if you, let's say, trade here, you will keep it until this is green, let's say, or until this line is green, or until the opposite arrow came. So what first comes? So here in this case, I don't know when this become red, we have to exit the trade. You see this, we have entered here, and we can still keep this trade until this is in high green position. Maybe if it goes to 10%, I will exit the trade, or if this line become green, or if we get opposite arrow. So this is something new, guys. This is a binary Reaper. So what is the point of this video? I said yesterday, this is not special promo offer. So this, what I will tell you, it is permanent until further notice. So any of my systems you have seen here, or you can see on my web page, you can get at a better price if you request for it. Especially, guys, especially if you are buying any 2 products, or 3, or even more. And my offer will be specially personalized for you. So maybe, for example, you will need Forex Shadow, Expert Advisor, and Binary Reaper, let's say, for example. Or better, maybe new Rubicon. So you need one indicator, you need one Expert Advisor. So this is 259. do we have? I'm not. Rubicon is here. 259. I will make, like you asked me, 259 is EA plus Rubicon is 169. Altogether it is, if you buy regularly from a web page, altogether is 428 euros. Something is wrong, but you will understand. So now I will check, guys, if you are my subscriber on YouTube, on web. This is great advantage. Are you very new customer for the first time? Okay, this is also advantage. If you are my previous customer that bought maybe 1, 2 or more systems until now, also plus for you if you buy. Or guys, if you buy 2 like here, and in this case, let's see, you are my subscriber on YouTube and on my webpage. You are my, let's say you are a new trader and you buy these 2. So you have 4 points and you will get here special price I will make you. For example, just that doesn't mean that you will get the same, because we are all different. So special price will be 171 euros. So it is 60% in that case for these 2 indicators. 60%. So if you choose free products, maybe you like this Rubicon, a RoboScalper, and I don't know, Binary Reaper, then I will make new calculation, new offer. So every offer will be different. Depends of products you wanna have, depends of how many products, depends if these products are indicators, expert advisors, strategies, signals. Depends if you are a very new customer, previous customer. If you are my subscriber, this is very important to be subscribed both on my webpage and on YouTube. This gives you the highest discounts. So this offer is permanent until further notice. I think it will be here for days, and it all depends about you. What you will choose, that you will get. I will reply you in maximum few hours, only if I'm, sleeping. But when you send me a request, I will give the special offer mostly in 1 hour, but maximum in, I don't know, 3-4 hours. If I'm not here, I'm maybe somewhere out. But if I'm here in my office, in 1 hour, always you will get the offer. So also I can reward you with licenses. You see, always if you buy directly, let's say Rubicon here, you will get 2 licenses for 2 MT4 accounts. Now I will give you in this offer, I forgot, you will get 4 or 5, maybe 6. If you buy free products, I will give you 6 or even 7. So it all depends about you guys. Will you buy 2 expert advisors or free, or you will buy indicators, or I don't know. If you are subscribed here. If you are not subscribed, this is the most easiest thing. So for YouTube, click down the button, subscribe, and here also. It is a few seconds, and you will get minimum 20% only for that. So guys, it is it. I am here, and the last thing for this future offers by request, only use below email FOREX-PROTOOLS@gmail.com. Don't send to other emails because you will not get any reply. Have a nice day and happy trading. Bye bye.